Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to Unity Digital Connections for Friday, April 3rd. Have a great day. Today is a day too.
It is Friday, April 3rd, and we are on our full second week of digital connections. You guys have been doing amazing with everything that we have been posting on Shobi and keeping up with all of your different classes. I know it's definitely different than being in school, but I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. You guys are doing such a great job. Keep working hard, keep asking any questions. We're happy to answer them. And we've got this. It's Friday and it's going to be a great day, great weekend. The weather's starting to get better now. It is great. So, on this wonderful Friday, I'm going to be first talking to you about what the daily question is going to look like for today. So, in today's daily question, it looks a little bit different. So, it's going to be asking you to make a collage of pictures. So, I would say at least 4 pictures would be good, but definitely more would even be better. So, these pictures are going to be about yourself, and you are going to be explaining each of these pictures. So, you can do this on Pic Collage, explain everything, or some other kind of app that would work good for making that collage. And you can explain it right on that app if it's a video app, or you can just make an explanation for Shobi. So, you will be finding pictures that you have, or maybe that have something to do with you. So maybe pictures from right now, recently, or it could be pictures from the past. And you're going to be explaining those pictures and letting us know why you chose those pictures. So for that daily question, choosing those pictures, making a collage, and don't forget to explain them. So explain why those pictures are important to you and what they mean and why you chose them. So that's going to be your daily question for today. So I'm going to be looking at the checklist that we have. So the Digital Connections Unity Pod checklist for today. So announcements. Good morning, Unity students. Today is a day 2. Remember, your learning is important. So it is very important. So we have this checklist of learning opportunities for you. So if you are in 6th hour math, you will be going to Shobi like you've been doing each day, and you've got an estimation word problem sheet and to find and create and post a math riddle. For 7th hour math, going to Shobi, you'll be watching a video, completing a sheet, and answering a question. For language arts with Ms. Bradenberg, you will be going to Shobi to fill out your reading log, answering that daily question that I just talked about, and completing your task in the language arts folder. And social studies with Ms. Bradenberg, that's on Shobi, and you're going to watch a video and answer questions. So I'm going to pause right there and talk about how our social studies and our science is working. So we're going to alternate. So it's going to be every other day you're going to have social studies, and every other day you're going to have science. So today you're having social studies, and then on Monday you will have science. So it's going to be every other day. So on your checklist, it's going to tell you which one of those you're doing each day if you can't remember which one's next. So always go to that checklist to make sure you are doing the class that you need to be doing for that day. So today will be social studies, and then Monday will be science, and then again Tuesday will be social studies, and it will keep going. They're going to take turns going, alternate, and that's how we're going to do science and social studies. And then next thing on the checklist, if you're in Miss Schlegel's math class, you can go to Shobi and Schoology, and she has your lesson to be working on. And then for choir, band, orchestra, general music, and art, remember that is also going to be the focus for today. So you're not going to have those every day, but today, if you are whichever one of those classes you're in is what you're going to be focusing on. So find the class that is your class. So find what's your class on that checklist and see what your teacher has. So it might be on Shobi, Google Classroom, but all of the instructions are right here on this checklist. So first go to that checklist and see what you need to do for those classes. So again, today we're focusing on choir, band, orchestra, general music, and art. So you have those things on the checklist for your teachers. Your teachers have filled that out for you. So take a look there and do those things. And then if you have Mrs. Kipe for reading or supported study, she has posted your learning opportunities for both of those, and Miss Emmerich's reading. She posted your your learning opportunities for reading. So whatever classes are in your schedule, go to those and complete those on the checklist for today. And we're always here if you need any help, have any questions, email, commenting on Shobi. We are always willing to help and answer those questions. So complete everything to the best of your ability and continue working through this week very strong. And it's almost the weekend and you guys are doing a fantastic job. So keep up the great work. And I appreciate all that you're doing, and I hope that everyone has a wonderful Friday and a fabulous weekend.